I'm Tobin, and this is Snap, the world's first fully portable 4K flying camera. Lots of quad shoot decent quality video, but they all force you to make the same frustrating choice. Tiny toy model, digital-only stabilization, forces you to compromise on video quality, flight time, and wind performance. Or a heavy-duty model, the big bulky carrying case. I mean, who'd want to go hiking with this? Until now, you've needed dangerous open blades in order to get good wind performance, but it's kind of hard to have fun with a big flying lawnmower nearby. Ever try that with an open-bladed model? I wouldn't recommend it. That's why we built the safest 4K flying camera. It fits in the smallest backpack, so you can take it anywhere, capture the moments that are important to you.
The best camera is always the one you have with you. At 500 grams, it still has a 20-minute flight time and packs a gimbal-stabilized 4K camera.
We made a flying camera for capturing the best stories and adventures. And the best stories usually have people in them. And people sometimes make mistakes. That would have been a bloody mess with any other flying camera out there. Bloody messes aren't any fun. We think flying cameras should be fun.
Flying Snap with your smartphone means you always have your controller with you. The smarts of your smartphone lets us make a lot of the hard things easy. Like one of those dramatic shots when the camera pulls back and orbits around you. We've worked with a team of directors and videographers to define those amazing cinematic shots and make it easy for you to recreate them without being a professional director. Snap knows exactly where you are, which lets it automatically track you, fly around you, and come back to you. Snap works with iOS and Android phones, 2-stick DSM controllers, or Bluetooth game controllers, whatever suits your style. Or you cannot pilot Snap at all and let it do the work for you.
It's amazing to have the freedom to see anything and anyone from any perspective, anytime, without having to think or worry. Just have fun. And this is just the start. We've got modules coming for obstacle avoidance, wildly fast flight speed, and unlimited range with a cellular modem.
Hi, my name is Sergey. Welcome to the PhotoKite Lab. Our goal is simple, to make aerial filming easy and safe. You've probably seen many drone projects by now already. What's different this time? It's the tether. The tether changes everything. Unlike a conventional drone, there's no piloting, no smartphones, no joysticks, no GPS. This thing is just a no-frills aerial camera. The technology comes from one of the world's leading aerial robotics research groups here in Switzerland. We actually already used this technology to build our first product, the PhotoKite Pro, used in broadcast and journalism today. With that experience, we set out to build something a bit more compact and affordable, the PhotoKite Phi. Let me show you how it works. To launch the PhotoKite, point it where you want it to go, give it a twist, and it will fly there like a kite. It always produces tension on the tether. It uses this tension to figure out exactly where it is relative to you. If you want to control it in the air, use the electronic leash, hold down a button, and rotate your wrist. That will change where the PhotoKite flies relative to you. It's always following you. It's always connected to you. So if I move, it will move with me. And this will keep working anywhere, in a cave, on a boat, and no matter if you're on a horse or on a bike.
PhotoKite comes with a lot of different features, creating an experience so reliable and comfortable that you can capture aerial footage in almost any place you want. To make it safe, we use soft, slow spinning propellers. packaged into the latest flying GoPro platform that we know of. The batteries can be changed easily, and in fact the whole system can be charged easily via USB. And the best thing is, folds into a tube the size of a thermos, making it a portable flying camera that you can take anywhere.